So let's jump in and design a room combination, but before we do, we can always hit Ctrl S to save out our project, just to make sure we didn't miss any of the previous changes. So what I need right here is the image for the room combination. So let's include the first one, drag and drop it inside of this artboard, and I'll jump and close all of these and simply move it all the way to the back like so, and then increase its size until it meets with the outer edges like this. And you can even increase it a lot more, so you can zoom inside the image like this, for example. Something around here is good. And now people can tell that it is this room. If you want to do that, that's fine, but if not, you can always reduce the size to roughly around here, let's say. And I think it looks a lot better like this. Now this text I found is not easily readable, so let's change it to white. This can be as it is. And now, because we want to make the image background same as here, let's change that. So let's click right here, select EB. Now, because we cannot distinguish the background from the image, let's click on the background and let's select white. And now it's a lot better. Now we need this sofa, so jump inside sofas, it's this one, so sofa number 3. Jump inside a layers panel once again, make sure you found the image, drag and drop your sofa inside, maybe you can place it right here, and let's reduce its size until it fits right here. So let's jump in and make sure it's in the middle like so. So you can select sofa and image, and you can position it like this as well as like this. Now let's locate the name. So this is Paris. And for the price, it's 1368. So make sure you change that. And one final change I want to make is for the color. So I will select this first color, select this for the color, for example, make sure to include the shadow. So let's use 2, 2, and 5. And for the shadow, let's jump inside our assets panel once again. Same deal, so select this color and lower the opacity to 25%. Now this will indicate that this color is selected for this particular couch, but people can then jump inside and go to the product page and then fiddle with it and include some other colors inside. Now jump back to our layers panel, close all of this up, card 1, and hit it, and make sure you may move the second card right here. And now we're going to include some other items inside, and for this one let's use a lamp, for example. So same deal like we did before, select the card BG, and for the fill color make sure it's white, and for the image make sure it's EB to make it look exactly the same for all of the other ones. And let's use I don't know, this Genoa lamp, for example. So double click on the text, change it, and the price was 96. So when people move with their finger to the right using the drag trigger, which we are going to include in the prototyping mode, they will be able to locate this lamp and see that it's included inside. Jump into your images, locate the lamp, so it's this second one, drag and drop it right here, and simply make sure to reduce its size like this. And you can then eyeball it, make sure it's in the middle like so. And if you want to move it a bit more to the top, you can do it as well. So it's a lamp, move it outside of this folder, make sure it's in the image folder like this, and make sure it meets at the top. So when you have completed that, you can also move it where it was, turn back on the card number 1, select this second one and simply move it 20 pixels to the right, same like we did with all of the other ones. And now this living room screen is completed. And in the next video, we are going to move on to selected item and selected item adjusted, and we are going to make the same changes for both of them. And I'm going to show you how you can include some drop shadows to some of these ones when people select these items. So I'll see you there.